If you are a business owner looking to start a business, or you've been in business for a long time and you're the only one that owns that business, I need you to pay very close attention because this information is probably going to change your life. Did you know that one of the first things that people do when they go get a business is they go get an EIN number, and chances are you don't even qualify to use it? Everybody tells you to go get an EIN number to start your business, but yet, did you ever go ask the IRS, do you qualify to have one? The EIN number stands for an employer identification number. While an employer has employees. Employees are people that every single time that they receive a paycheck, they have taxes automatically taken out of their checks. Two questions that I have for you. Number one, are you paying anybody? Number two, if you are paying people and they don't have taxes taken out of their checks, those aren't employees. Those are called contractors. The first question that the IRS asks is, do you have employees? The answer to that question is probably no. The second question is, do you operate your business as a corporation or a partnership? Of course not. Everybody told you to go get an LLC, remember? Do you file employment, excise, or alcohol, tobacco, and firearm taxes? Probably not. Do you withhold taxes on income other than wages paid to a non-resident alien? Does your LLC offer a retirement plan, a pension plan? In other words, the IRS says it's a KEO plan. And is your LLC involved in a trust, an estate, real estate, mortgage, investment conduit, a nonprofit organization, a plan administrator, or a farmers co-op? You see, chances are you have an EIN number. And now here's the crazy part. I just showed you probably don't qualify for having one. You should be using your social, but you're going to ignore this message and still use the EIN. So guess what? All the roadblocks that you run into, you're supposed to run into them because you didn't even pay attention to the foundation. It doesn't matter what anybody tells you. If you are already operating by rules that you don't even qualify for, think about it. Anything that happens. So then now when people start to tell you about the LLC, here's some of the things that you hear. Well, in order for you to go get business credit, you got to use your personal social security number. Well, I wonder why. If something happens to that business, you can be sued. Well, I wonder why. Because you started your foundation out of compliance. For more information on learning how to structure your business properly, for more information on learning how to go get funding without using your social security number, visit me at www.macenterpriseconsulting.com and we can help you. Beware of those fake financial gurus. Beware of those fake financial business consultants. I guarantee you, they're going to lead you down a path of nowhere, telling you that you got to use your social security number to go get funding. I thought you and the business was supposed to be separated. Peace.